Yo, it's me again, and I'm gonna try to do this as quick as I can, just so I'm not here for a long ass time, because that would be annoying. Really, really annoying. So, let me just quickly try to say what I've been up to. Okay, so I've been up to um, this right here, an advanced Roblox inventory system, right? Let me just make sure. I am recording with my audio. Alright, I am. Okay, so let me give y'all a quick demo. Right. Damn. Anyways, so here we are. Stowaway. What is Stowaway? It's a hotbar slash backpack or inventory system, whichever one you want to choose. It will be fully ready by 1.15 or 1.0, whichever one. I'm thinking at 1.15 I'll start adding in new Roblox's features and so on instead of the features that I currently use with context action service and user input service. So with that out of the way, at 1 minute 30 in, let's get you some um what do you call it? A showcase. Yeah, a showcase. All right. So first things first, you can see the hotbar is static right now. Let me just hurry up and put that over here. Static, meaning that all of the items will load and it will show even if there are empty stacks on the hotbar, right? So if I were to drop this guy doesn't remove and this guy becomes one and so on. It's just a blank slot on static. But if it was dynamic, if you were to remove anything, then this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you get that. What do we have next? We have item limit, aka weight tracking. Remove things, you'll see the weight starts going down. Nice, right? Everything here is binded to these keys. You can change how these binds work, of course. So you can swap slots with an empty slot with a actual slot. If you want to, let me just click it right and use the key so you can see. This sadly doesn't work, so I'll come out and show you the other sorting types. But for right now, you have rarities. This is gold. This is kinda green. Not sure if you can see it. This is common, as it's gray. You can select and move it to the backpack. You can select and swap with something in the backpack. You can just swap if you just want to. Swap with selected in the hotbar, and so on and so forth. Um, Let me just show y'all a little bit of some things. First thing first, alright, I will go here. Right, wow. Backpack, apple. I will duplicate this, right? And because I added in an apple with 2 stacks, this now is a stack of 4. 4 apples, not 2, right? So now, let me just kind of drop this quickly. Come over here, grab this, and put this to 2, right? And kind of show you it a little bit differently. So like, boom. And of course, I'm going to duplicate the apple again. This time it won't stack because there's nothing in the hotbar for it to stack with. Or there's nothing first in the hotbar for it to stack with. So now if you were to drag this over this, it would stack. There's a visual bug right now. If you were to select this and bring it over here, it would stack, but it unselected. Let me show you, right? See, now it's 4, but it's unselected. I want it so that it still is equipped, but you can't, you know what I mean? It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. 4 minutes. Let me just get a little bit over here and show y'all one more thing. Right, bring this here. One more thing. Duplicate. Well, not that. Let me just take this out of the, duplicate this one more time, right, and bring it here. And as you can see, it will go 5 and 3. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that good? 5 and 3. You can swap these. You can swap this. And you can swap, like if you remove a backpack, it just goes down. Feel me? Swap in between. If I try to add anything above 15, it won't add. So that's also something. And that's about that. Let me just hurry up and show y'all some of this. Alright, so this is quick yaps. Quick yap session. Quick yap session. It's already 5 minutes. Let's quickly do this. So we have our drag and drop, swappable slots, stacking, persistence coming in as future update. I spoke about static and dynamic. There's the item limit, which I showed, drag and drop from the UI that I showed. Sorting. Alright, let me quickly show sorting. I think server script service settings. Let's do, where's sorting? What the frick? Oh, false. Let's do sorting types dot. Let's do it by rarity. Play. Just a quick demo of this. Just to do sorting by rarity, right? So this is green. Let's put it here. As you can see, this will go before it because this comes before this, and this will always go in the back. So if I were to remove this and I put this in, it will go right back there, just like that. So that's sorting. And these are extra functionalities that are coming. Well, dropping is already here. Rarity check already here. Here is all of our stuff. Can stack is equal to true. Um, read the release if you want more in depth about can stack, max stack count, rarity check, droppable, and so on and so forth. So that's about everything that I've been up to for this time. Oh, this is a little bit longer than before, but it is what it is. If you want to use this, go ahead, go to release, um, and be in mind it is a pre-release, and just use whatever is here. What all that I've showed you is everything. So these are basically blank stuff because this is what I'm changing to in the future. And for now, that's about it. So if you want to, come here, download this, read this if you're going to use it. Freaking go over this if you want to see all of the stuff coming and a little bit of configuration. And shout out to these people right here. And that's everything. Have a good day.